Hey everyone, it's Sammy from the Gliffy team at Perforce Software. Today we are going to talk about how to make an entity relationship diagram in Gliffy super fast. I'm going to type /Gliffy to launch into the Gliffy editor, and from here I'm going to select this Software Design, UML, and ERD option. This is not a template. If I wanted to use a template, I would hop on over here to my entity relationship diagram templates. Great place to start. But for us to create a blank diagram, I'm going to click Create while selecting that one. This means that our editor is set up with all the shapes along the side that you need to create your entity relationship diagram. If you're not seeing the shapes you need for some reason, maybe you clicked Basic Diagram to get started, you can click More Shapes, and Entity Relationship Diagramming is in here under our software design category. So you can make sure that entity relationship library is checked. Click OK, and then you have everything you need to start diagramming. So that's how to set up the editor. Happy diagramming, and I hope you're loving Gliffy for this ERD use case.